North Korean authorities have urged citizens to remain indoors to avoid contact with a mysterious cloud of yellow dust which is blowing in from China and which they have warned could bring COVID-19 with it. First of all, what is yellow dust? Yellow dust is actually sand from deserts in China and Mongolia that high-speed surface winds carry into both North and South Korea during specific periods every year. The sand particles tend to mix with other toxic substances like industrial pollutants, and as a result of which the yellow dust is known to cause a number of respiratory ailments. Usually, when the dust reaches unhealthy levels in the atmosphere, authorities urge people to remain indoors and limit physical activity, particularly heavy exercise and sport. Sometimes, when the concentration of yellow dust in the atmosphere crosses around 800 cubic meter, schools are shut and outdoor events are cancelled in the affected areas. North Korea's stand on yellow dust. The state-controlled Korean Central Television (KCTV) has warned that a cloud of yellow dust would blow in from China and descend on the country the following day. A nationwide ban on outdoor construction work was announced, and all citizens were ordered to remain indoors with their windows tightly closed. Yellow dust and COVID-19. The US Centers for Disease Control (CDC) has said that the virus can remain airborne for hours, but it has also maintained that it is highly unlikely for the COVID-19 infection to spread in this way. There is no evidence of efficient spread to people far away or who enter a space hours after an infectious person was there. People are most likely to contact the disease by standing in close proximity to an infected person who coughs, sneezes, or talks, thus spreading the virus through droplets.